welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about this beautiful hair. Can y'all see this? Yes, these are goddess box braids. Yes, goddess box braids. Now this came from Karida Hair Company. I hope I'm not saying that wrong. I'm horrible with names. But the link will be in my description box if this is something you're interested in. I am in love. This is so full, so thick, and it's not heavy at all. That was one thing I was worried about because I remember doing butterfly locks and they were so heavy. I did not keep them up very long at all, but these are not. This is 6 packs of hair that I have in my head. They sent over 8. So yes, honey, I will give you all the details in the next clip. You can see me install it. I did do a new braid pattern, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I got it from another YouTuber, and I will leave her YouTube channel below because she did hers without braiding at all. I did braid the back of my hair, which you will see. The only dislike I can say about the hair was the loops, like the little pre-made loops. Some of them was really tight and difficult to get into, but thank God that the braid pattern here was really relaxed, so I was able to kind of dig in there and make it work. Now that was only like the first 3 packages. The other 3 packages, the loops were perfectly fine. So I don't know if I just got a bad batch or what, but honestly that's the only negative I have about the hair. I'm in love with it. I love the curl pattern. I love everything about it. Y'all, this is so pretty. Yes. And so you can check out the braid pattern when you stay tuned, and you'll see exactly how I got this look. So I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all see the poof? We're ready to get started. So today we're going to be doing some crochet braids. So these are goddess braids, box braids, and you can see the goddessness in them. Look at that. The braids I love, they're so loose, so you can tell it won't be like super heavy or anything. These are 14 inches, and I have like 8 packs of these. This is coming in the 1B. I'm excited to see how this is going to look. Shout out to Karida Hair Company for sending these over. Y'all know I'm horrible with pronunciation, so I hope I got that right. Thank you so much for sending these over so I can try it out. I believe these are their newest crochet braids, these goddess box braids, and I'm so lucky that I'm able to try them out because I don't have to do my hair for 2 weeks. Okay. So these are so cute. I love the feel of the hair. Is very, very soft, and yeah, I'm ready to get started. As far as how we're going to do this, so I was watching this girl on YouTube, and she was doing like an illusion method, but she did it with like rubber bands. So I'm excited. I'm going to try to do that today. Not try. I am going to do that today. The method seems so fast, and it looked like her hair was in individuals. It's kind of like what I've already done before. I don't know if y'all have watched any of my illusion braid pattern videos before. And if you have, then you probably already know what I'm talking about. It's kind of the same way. You're just doing it with rubber bands. And you'll see as we go on anyway. So I'm actually already ready to get started. Just so y'all know, the title was not clickbait. Here I braided the back of my hair, but you can do a flat twist here. You don't have to do braids, so therefore your whole head can be braidless. Or you can still do the rubber band method if you want to back here too. Overall, I absolutely love it. I think it's so cute. But yes, honey, we are finished. And I can honestly say this is a winner.